Why does Netflix keep crashing? Now, if you're opening up Netflix, you're trying to watch a TV show or a movie, it keeps crashing maybe when you first open in the app or midway through a TV show or a movie. I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing that we want to make sure is it's not an issue with Netflix itself. So let's go into a web browser and we're just going to type in, is Netflix down? And we can go to down detector here. And if you see a huge spike in reported outages, then most likely that's why that app keeps crashing on you every time you open it up. You try to watch something and it crashes. If you don't see a big spike here, then you can move on to the next step. If you do see a big spike, you just gotta wait a few hours. Usually they'll have everything fixed and you can watch Netflix as normal. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll head into our settings and we'll tap on General and then iPhone storage. Now, if you're on Android or on a computer, what you're going to want to do is basically find Netflix, clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the app. Or if you're on a computer, you can always just clear any of your history or cache associated with Netflix. But I'm just going to find Netflix here on this list. There it is. And then I'm going to hit offload the app and then just reinstall this Netflix app. Usually this force updates it and fixes any kind of bugs or glitches that could be causing it to crash as soon as you open it. So going through this step, I can then just tap on it and you should be able to sign into your account, sign in, watch any kind of TV show, movie, anything like that, and it shouldn't be crashing like before. Hope this helps. Do you have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.